Among the following, the least stable resonating structure is. So, if you look at these structures, these are all resonating structures. And while comparing the stability of the resonating structures, we have to keep few points in mind. One is octet rule should be satisfied for all the atoms. The resonating structure in which the octet rule is satisfied for all the atoms will be more stable. Okay. So, now if you see carbon, a positively charged carbon atom will be like this. So, positively charged carbon atom will have only 3 bond pairs, means octet rule will not be satisfied there. So, positively charged carbon atom, if it is there in the resonating structure, then that species will be less stable because octet rule is not satisfied there. So, if you see, look at the structures, on A there is positively charged carbon, B also positively charged, C positively charged carbon atom, D also positively charged carbon atom. Means all the 4 structures given here have positively charged carbon atom, means stability. If you think with respect to octet rule, all 4 are not stable. So, I can't consider the first rule. What is that first rule? All the atoms in the resonating structure should have octet number of electrons. So, none of these structures is having because all have positively charged carbon atom. So, then first rule I cannot consider to explain the stability here. So, after that, second thing is when the species is charged, negative charge should be there on more electronegative element and positive charge should be there on less electronegative element. And similar charges should not be there on 2 adjacent atoms. So, here oxygen is negatively charged, here also oxygen is negatively charged. So, negative charge is there on more electronegative element. Okay. Now, like charges should not be there on 2 adjacent atoms. So, if I consider that rule, the first example, option A, positive charge is there on 2 adjacent atoms. So, option A is least stable resonating structure. So, while explaining the stability of the resonating structures, we have to follow certain rules. The first rule is octet rule should be satisfied for all the atoms. More number of bonds, more stable. That is second rule. Third rule is neutral species more stable than charged species. And if it is a charged species, single charge, if there is only one charge in the resonating structure, that structure will be more stable than the resonating structure in which both the charges are there. Then, if both charges, both plus and minus charges are there, negative charge should be there on more electronegative element and positive charge should be there on less electronegative element. And sixth rule is unlike charges, opposite charges should be there on 2 adjacent atoms but not like charges. So, these are the different rules which we generally use to identify the most stable or least stable resonating structure. So, if you consider that like charges are present on 2 adjacent atoms in option A, so option A is least stable.